Hey everyone, how you guys going? Welcome to my channel. If your goal is to eat in surplus calories and work really hard in your workouts to gain weight by building muscle, then this is the best channel for you guys. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel and keep on watching this video whilst I share this amazing high protein recipe to support those muscle gains. Now I'm gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing and how it's getting prepared, so that is all there in the video. But I just wanted to say a couple of things here. Firstly, a lot of people are afraid of like having soya chunks. Either they don't like the taste of it, or they're just like afraid that it's gonna increase your estrogen levels and that's gonna cause all sorts of issues or whatnot, right? So firstly, having something in moderation, or having soya chunks in moderation, like 25 grams or 30 grams or 40 grams, that is totally okay to consume each day, right? No one's asking you to consume 100 grams of soya chunks or whatnot, right? So having any ingredient in moderation is totally okay. So please don't be scared. Instead, educate yourself so that you get the correct knowledge about any ingredient, whether it's soya chunks or whey protein. And it's an amazing ingredient. It is completely plant-based, so perfect for those who are vegans or vegetarians and whatnot. It's a complete source of protein, which means you will be getting all your 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce itself. So it's an amazing ingredient. Plus, it has no flavor. Basically, it has no flavor, and it will take the flavor, whatever sauces or spices you add to it, it will actually take that flavor, and that is how it's so convenient to include in your food plan. But I still see a lot of people saying that they don't like it or whatnot, which is the reason why I have brought this amazing flavorful recipe for you. Now I was in India when I tried this, and I had it as a snack, so that is what I did. But of course, you can totally prepare this kind of recipe and always either have this as a snack, or else you can add it on your lunch plate or on your dinner plate to add that extra source of protein on that plate, right? Because of course you might be having your rice or rotis and all those kind of things, but this can be the protein source on those plates for you, right? It literally took 5 to 7 minutes to prepare this whole recipe, because of course you can see all the sauces and stuff. They're like all store-bought sauces. You don't have to prepare anything. Plus, because I had it as a snack and I like my veggies to be nice and crunchy, I did not overcook anything, which is the reason why this is perfect for a person like me who likes quick recipes which doesn't require too long to cook. Plus they are tasty, plus they're there to add to your muscle growth, add to your muscle gains, right? So you never want to miss out on a recipe which ticks all of these boxes. So go ahead, watch the full video, do try this recipe out at home, and do let me know in the comments box below if you liked it, if you didn't like it, and if you are going to include it in your food plan from here on. On that note, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay fierce, and do follow me on Instagram for a lot more info on weight gain. Alright you guys, see you next time. Bye.